GoPro story, from surf straps to a camera. This billion-dollar camera company began as a film camera funded by selling shell necklaces. Founder sold jewelry from a VW van to raise capital. He was fresh off a failed startup that cost him millions. The analog start. The first GoPro in Wood was a cheap film camera, costing about $3. Woodman built the prototypes in his mother's sewing room. The camera was basic, but the protective housing and mount system were revolutionary. This created the iconic wide-angle perspective essential for action shots. The digital surge. The switch to digital came with the Hero 3. This drove massive growth immediately. By 2018, GoPro captured 90% of the camcorder market, generating almost $1 billion in revenue. The initial public offering, or IPO, was massive. As Time reported, quote, "The crash. Growth stalled quickly. GoPro tried diversification with the Karma quadcopter drone in 2015. It was a disaster. Batteries failed and caused the drone to fall out of the sky mid-flight. The product was fully recalled, leading to immediate layoffs. Facing crisis, they made progress. They stopped losing money on failed diversification. That was the key to survival after the multi-million-dollar failure years earlier. First, they developed their own custom processor, the GP1. This specialized brain improved stabilization and cut costs. Second, they shifted focus entirely to recurring subscription services for cloud storage and replacement. The ultimate twist, this pivot saved them. Even competitors can't shake the brand loyalty. The amateur camera created to let surfers yoik is now routinely used for everything from stunts to tight B-roll shots. The camera doesn't just survive the stunts, it lets everyone tell the story. Subscribe, please.